Hey guys, it's me, #1 Crossing fan. All my 3D printed shit came in. And look at the size of this Corolla. Even bigger than the first one. So, where is my tape measure? So the old one is approximately 3.5 inches. This one is 7 inches long. I don't know the I don't know the multiple factor, but there's also a surprise in here. In here, I just wanted to keep this for myself. It's a Toyota emblem, man. You guys know how much I love Toyota. Oh, also, this came in the mail today. This is an XL motor, although not Lego branded, but slow speed but high torque. Now, the wheels that printed out of this did print better, but wanna know something odd? If I grab a Lifesaver's Mint, they are the same exact fucking diameter. Oh, maybe except for the thickness, but look at all these. Now, my Lego differential didn't come in, but whatever. And I think these pieces may have come, either it's these pieces or the gears that came out weird. Hang on. I know I have an actual Lego clutch gear. I'm gonna have to find it. Okay, here he is, in the process of drying from all the black. I'm gonna have to paint over another red because I think I may have overdrew the outlines under the headlights. But this looks good so far. I'm gonna make the taillights after I fix the black parts. I even added the little sunroof. And then later on, I'm gonna grab this Very Quest box and do the same thing I did for this guy. Oh, and also, I've decided I want these wheels. Because for one, the diameter is good enough. I'll just get a stand. You, come here. So this fits perfectly. And then I want to use this, saw it in half, and do this. If I put them together, it's perfect. I just gotta get a Dremel, saw this in half, glue off the half here, and then put it on. Luckily, I have a small Dremel that does that. Also, this came in the mail. It is two off-brand XL motors, low speed but high torque. I hear the RPM rating is 260. And again, my Toyota emblem. Mine! And then here's a size comparison from its Hot Wheels counterpart to the almost as big as Drifty 2. Oh, speaking of Drifty 2, there is some problems with them. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, somebody wanted to ask me, how do I remove these wheels? Well, it's simple. You just unscrew this and get the other wheels. But that separate video will come up later, so stay tuned, person I forgot the name of. I'm on to this now. And also, I now have a 3D printer and will be able to make 3D printed Legos. Oh, I also got a 3D printed trailer for my Matchbox cars that do have a trailer hitch. I put the old wheels in this car. I should probably super glue the axles. I put 2 different screws on the hinge part, but it works. Like, I could put my Corolla up there, which is big as fuck to my Hot Wheels, and have it. Shit! Yeah, I'm gonna super glue this. I'm still a bit shaky from the 2005 Lexus GX 330 alarm video, but bear with me. See, it works. I got off the trailer, and you stay in display for now. And so now, I think it's dry. Except for this part, but I'm gonna get working on it. Time lapse. Okay, unsure if I did a time lapse or not. I presume I didn't. Excuse the noise out there. They're playing a game, but I got to cut these things. This is irreversible, but worth it. I am doing dark gray rear, light gray front. Here's the drum roll. And painting will have to resume once I get these in. So, this is gonna be a while. Meanwhile, I want to get this in here. Now, I'm not sure if time lapse or not, let's do this. Okay, so I ran into a slight of a clearance problem. The XL motor will scrape on the current ground clearance of the car, so I want to take out the frame and try to redo it. So, time lapse on that. Small little update. I got sidetracked, and plus, I ran out of time to put the XL motor in this car, so I just put everything back together so it's usable. Also, this is currently being super glued. I mean, look how big this shit looks. Yeah, let me put the other wheels on. Oh god, I think I have to sand this one down. As for the rest, they're fine. It looks a little weird, but who cares? Yeah, this one is the one that's off. Because it's a little... because it has turning. And I just broke it. Whatever, I have to continue painting without it because it is 11. Alright. Time for time lapse. Okay, time lapse part done. Now I gotta sand this, and I don't think the sandpaper I have has much life left. So now the roof is drying. I might have to fix these wheels later in the future. All that matters is this one, because it's got a slight to it. Taillights look fine. The headlights look exponentially fine, except for those extra black spots. Oh, you know what? There we go. Much better. Oh, I have to wait for the Sharpie inside to dry. Look at that smile. It's gonna turn into a frown like its smaller counterpart later. This looks so weird to look at. But the difference is the wheels. Okay, finally, a few days later, because I've done a lot of stuff. And he's finished. I cut down the frown and did this. So now he's basically done. Painted the underside of camera. 2006 Corolla S. July 2026 me. This one was made in April. So now I have two Corollas. One small, one big. And I'm done. Y1CF Talks will come back again soon. Maybe. I don't know if I'm not lazy enough. Well, Y1CF Talks again is basically season 2 of Y1CF Talks. And it'll come out before I go on my trip. It starts August 3rd, by the way. Like and subscribe to your #1 Crossing fan. I'm tired of shit. I just woke up. And I'll see you all on the next one.